Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to turn in your dark mode on your PC if you guys don't already know. So I'm going to teach you right now how to put your PC on dark mode. So at first you must go into your settings, and at settings you must find for personalization, or you can even search for this. So right here is the personalization. After you click on that, you'll see many options, but you need to go into colors right here. And after you go into color, at first, this is the top one. At first, you'll see choose your mode. So you got to choose one of these: light, dark, or custom. You can even custom any one you'd like. You can see here, choose your default Windows mode and choose your default app mode. So app and Windows can be changed by clicking on here and here. So if you want a dark option in everything dark, you want to turn your whole PC into dark mode, or everything on your app, the windows, everything, you click on dark and everything will be set up. But if you want dark mode on your windows but light mode on your websites or apps, you click on this and you make it light, and you click on this and you make this dark. This is how it works. So to keep everything dark, you click on this, and to change into white again or light again, you click on this and it will be done. So this is how you change your PC into dark mode. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.